So we're a do-it-yourself studio where people come in and make wooden signs and home decor. Our art tenders guide them through the process, so no skill is needed. In addition, we do team building, kids' birthday parties and camps, as well as any private party or gathering that you can think of. In the last 12 months, I have learned so much about my business. We have shifted gears and we now do resident events for apartment communities as well as nursing home. When you come in to nail the DIY, you're going to start with a raw piece of wood. We're going to create a one-of-a-kind stencil for you. We're going to show you how to put it on, and you get to choose one of our techniques that are proprietary that we teach. And the paints are organic and they're made to last. We also offer retail in our studio, which is great for walk-ins to come on in. You can shop, pick anything up you want for yourself or as a gift. To keep up on everything we have going on and all the events coming up, follow us on social media.